Hello everyone, this is the Gallivanting Hikers. This is Dilly Dally and
Trouble.
And we're out for another Appalachian Trail training hike. Right now it's in the low 60s, maybe high 50s, and tonight it's going to be on the warmer side. It's going to be in the 40s, but we're going to camp out and we're going to continue working on our Z-Pack tent and my sleeping system. So tell us a little bit about the hike today, Trouble.
The hike, we're in Harriman Park, Silver Mine, which is just a little bit off the Appalachian Trail. We're basically going to hike for about 3 miles, 4 miles, and then make camp on the Appalachian Trail on the Leatherneck shelter. So that should be good. And again, it's a little different campsite. So we'll get to understand the Z-Pack tent a little better. And we're also still figuring out where to put stuff in the tent and configure a tent. But as you can see, it's a bluebird day, beautiful. And we're hiking around a lake. So it should be good.
Yeah, and we had a little bit of a late start today, so that's why we had the low mileage.
Wait, I thought it was a dilly-dally start.
Of course. So we'll see you on the trail.
See ya.
Well, we're at the campsite for the evening. We just got here, and Trouble's starting to unpack. We winded up doing 6.5 miles, so that's pretty good. And it is a gorgeous, gorgeous evening.
And the temperature is 60.
Hi, we're inside our tent.
Yeah, this is Papa Smurf.
So what does that make me? Is there a Mama Smurf?
There's somebody. I never really watched them.
Anyway, I told Trouble I had to clean up the house before videoing. We're inside our tent, and we just wanted to show you how we have it set up. Okay, this is the, I'll start with the outside. So the last video, Trouble had spoken about hanging up the backpack. So this is what it looks like from the inside.
And Z-Pack has a hack where you pull in the screen and also lifts the tub up. That's what this cord is.
Oh.
You know what this is? This is an emergency whistle. You know where the most bears are on the AT? Jersey and New York. That's why we keep it there. And this is special for Dilly Dally. This is our TV and entertainment center.
Because the sun is going down like at 4:45. But I'm sure when we're on the trail, we'll probably be sound asleep. Okay, so now we have our pads down. You can see that the tub is doing pretty well.
Yep. Yeah, it's up and it's, if there's any condensation, it should pitch out.
Yeah. And then I put my shoes in a bag, and I have my raincoat down there because if I get cold at night, I might put that on to break the wind. And then up here, we just have, I have some more clothes in case I get cold. And Trouble has a pillow. And I have my goose feet down pillow. That's brand new. I didn't have that before. So I'll have to try. I'm going to be trying that out tonight. Hello everyone, we just finished our overnight hike or a backpacking camping trip, and it went very, very well. Wouldn't you say?
Yes, no, it was excellent. No, I had no issues.
Yeah, and I slept nice and comfy last night. Yoo-hoo! Of course, the lowest it went was 37 degrees, so my sleeping pad system is working out, and the Enlighten Equipment Convert 0 degree quilt is working very well too. So kudos to that. So any other thoughts that you had?
Well, you used a bottle warmer.
Oh yeah. So okay. If you remember the video about the winter management, I did warm up some water and put it into that MSR bladder, and that made my feet nice and toasty. And then as soon as my feet got warm, I just put on my sleeping socks and my down booties. So that probably contributed to the comfort that I had last night.
Helped keep me warm too.
Yeah, and I also got a new goose feet pillow. That worked very well. So I have no complaints. I slept great last night. So anything else, Trouble?
No, I sort of the next phase of this is we need to test it in inclement weather. I mean, everything went really smooth. Just need to, speed up the process of setting up the tent. Though I enjoy setting it up, so I tend to dilly-dally a little bit.
Oh, look who's dilly-dallying. Yeah, but it's also breaking down the camp. How fast can we do it? I think we did it within a half hour today.
Yeah.
So, each time you go, you get better and better at it. So we're happy with the progress. So that's it for me. Anything else, Trouble?
Nope, that's it.
No. So,
oh, wait.
What?
Daylight saving time, so she got an extra hour sleep.
Oh! Hey, cool. All right, folks. We'll see you on the trail.